university.
Yes.
So your children will know how to speak Mandarin, and they will know how to deal, all the Chinese work ethic, business. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Bilib na bilib ako sa inyo. That's all I can say. That's all I can say, General. And you deserve to be our first woman General, ma'am, because you have accomplished so much. Not just as in your profession, but as a woman. You make me so proud to be one.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Sa trabaho po, baril ang hawak, pero kapag daw free time nyo naman po, General, ay hawak nyo paintbrush. Is that your way of relaxing?
That's right.
Meron po ba tayong painting dito? Ayan! Naku, salamat
I'm gonna
po.
show you. Okay.
Thank you so much. Sir, thank you po.
Thank you,
Thank you
Flor.
po.
Thank you so much.
Oh, wow!
This is mine. And then, I
It is-
cited Monette. They call me, my nickname is Monette.
Your nickname is Monette.
You can call me
Ma'am,
Monette.
ma'am, naiilang po ako. Mapupo kayo. Ayan po, ilagay natin.
Yes,
Ako po hahawak.
ito. No.
And this is a painting of, obviously, flowers, but...
Yes, when I was in Hawaii, I was so impressed by this tree. Na talagang, alam mo, sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda mo tree. I'm gonna take a picture of you. And when I go back to the Philippines, I'm gonna paint you. And this is a tree from Hawaii.
What, do you know what it's called?
It's acacia, family of acacia.
So it's something that is found only in Hawaii or the islands?
Yes. Yes.
Mostly.
Mostly, yes. Kasi parang hindi ko pa siya nakita dito
Imagine.
But yung kanyang leaves, similar sa acacia tree natin. So sabi ko, family siya ng acacia. But the flowers, oh my gosh, you will really appreciate the beauty ng creation ng God.
Talaga pong painting pa lang na-appreciate na namin yung puno at yung mga bulaklak. Lalo po siguro in person.
Ayun.
Tsaka tingnan nyo, palakpakan naman natin si General. Ano ba ito? Ma'am, I would like to thank you again from the bottom of my heart.
Do you like? It's yours.
Oh my God!
It's yours.
I have it. This is historical.
Yes.
This is to be a piece of history from the first woman general in the Philippines, the AFP. Thank you very much, General.
Very welcome. You're very welcome.
Thank you. And ma'am, it is my honor once again to have had you on the show. Sure na sure po ako, ang dami pong nagulat at na-inspire sa ating mga manonood. Hindi lamang dito sa studio, kundi sa buong mundo po. Maraming salamat po again. And God bless you and your family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And God bless. More power to your show.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
At alam niyo po ba, General, ibang painting naman po, na klaseng painting ang ginagawa ng ating susunod na panauhin. Isa rin po siyang ina na meron pong kakaibang trabaho na you wouldn't expect a woman to be doing Tapos, ang pagpinta ito ng matataas na gusali. Kung ito ay painting ng art, ito ay painting ng mag-painting tayo ng wall. Ayan, ng labas. Ayan, ng mga bakod. Ayan. Ang hirap at sarap sa malayo niyang trabaho sa pagbabalik ng Sharon kasama mo, kapatid. Maraming salamat. So proud. Nakakabilib. Dahil talagang, kayo ba may nakita na kayong babaeng umaakyat ng scaffolding para magpintura? Hindi ba? Wala, ano?
Kung tayo ay